All right, so we're in Mount Vernon to see a tulip festival. It's the night before, and we checked into our hotel just now, and I figured I would show you guys what the Hilton Hotel looks like here. This is actually Marysville. It's just maybe half an hour away because Mount Vernon is full. But anyway, here's the hotel. Let me see about. Oh, I'm gonna have to turn the camera. All right, here we go. Here's the room, and so we have our own refrigerator and freezer here. Of course, nothing in it, but still, pretty nice to be able to have. That's a really stiff door. Pretty nice to be able to have your own refrigerator. That's nice. I like it. Your own drawers. They include dishes. Microwave, sink. There's your dishwasher in the hotel, even dishwasher included. I love it. Little coffee maker back there, some water, some cups. And you've got a desk here, a chair, and then dresser. TV, and some more shelf space and cabinets, little open closet with a curtain, of course. There you go. Back up a little for you so you can see that. Yeah. And then that's our window to the outside, of course. Let me see if I can open that up for you. Nope, that's an extra blind. That's cool. So I can make it really dark in here with that. That'll block out the sun really nicely. Extra security. Let's see. That's the light. Oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. Here's another chain. And so there's our outside. Rest of the room, the bed, that's a queen size bed, and a couch, and a little footstool, and a mirror there, and we have a mirror there, and then a front door. Shower, and of course the CR, and then the sink, mirror, and that's complete. And that's your hotel. All right.